Using offline mobile applications allows you to save data and continue to enjoy the tools if you don't have Wi-Fi. They can be very useful when, for example, you're traveling or in a low coverage area. Of course, all of them must be previously programmed to be used offline. The first one is Keyworks. It is a tool that allows you to consult offline content hosted on Wikipedia. From there, you can access the training of this encyclopedic portal, no matter where you are. Although it takes up a bit of mobile phone memory space, it is very useful for certain moments of escape. The second one is Pocket. It is possibly one of the essential applications in every mobile, and is used to save information from websites. It does so completely so that once it is offline, the content stored offline can be consulted. You will see the web page as if you had internet, but in reality you will be consulting the data hosted locally on the mobile. It is available for iOS and Android. The third one is Google Translate. This Google service for translating into different languages can also be used without an internet connection. It works autonomously thanks to its database of words that it has stored within the app. You just have to choose the language, place the word or phrase, and wait for the result. The fourth one is Vmail. It is a video application that can be used offline. To do this, you must download the content, which can only be viewed from the tool when you have no connection. And the last one is Google Maps. Google's geolocation application has many tricks that you may not have known about. One of them consists of downloading maps and viewing roads manually without having an internet connection, which is used to move in places with low connectivity.